And along with all of that cleanup, there are a lot of questions out there. Hundreds of people reaching out to 11 Alive asking why no one heard sirens as a tornado crushed homes in its path. Our Caitlin Ross is getting answers.
Destroyed in seconds.
As I was running and as he was running, the ceiling started to collapse on us, and I saw cracks, and it was just, we had seconds to get downstairs.
The Burgess family home hit by an EF1 tornado without warning.
It was on us that fast. No warnings, I didn't hear any sirens.
In the aftermath, they asked 11 Alive why.
We didn't get any sirens.
Their family's concerns echoed over and over again online, with people in Paulding County asking why no one heard the sirens as the tornado touched down.
Sirens are not a reliable way to get warnings.
11 Alive meteorologist Melissa Nord says there are more reliable ways to keep your family safe.
Sirens were really designed so that people outside knew there was bad weather coming and they could move indoors.
But even if you're walking outside in Paulding County, you won't hear a weather siren go off because they don't have them. The Paulding County EMA director told 11 Alive they rely on the modern day weather siren for alerts, your cell phone.
Paulding County EMA Director Stephen Dooley told 11 Alive while they do not have sirens, the Code Red app alerts residents to tornado warnings, flash floods, and severe weather. But residents have to sign up. People input their address and then get a direct alert for any weather that will impact their home. And Nord says people should also activate wireless alerts on their cell phones.
I always say have multiple ways to get warnings. If one method fails, you have a backup ready to go.
Reporting in Paulding County, Caitlin Ross, 11 Alive News.
And that is some wonderful advice that we've been hearing from all of our meteorologists here at 11 Alive. Danielle Moss joining us now.
Yes, it's always great to have multiple ways to get notifications, whether that's a weather radio on top of your cell phone. Just do not rely on one mode of getting those alerts. And a lot of people, even though they were really close to that Cobb County line, might have heard the Cobb County sirens. But don't rely on that. Make sure you have multiple ways to get communications and notifications during severe weather. Here's another look at the track of this storm. It was on the ground for 12 minutes. 12 minutes. So that's like a mile a minute that this storm traveled through Paulding County going northward, and it was definitely a very strong storm.